So what do you have for, like right there?
My rod.
Your rod?
Like this one outside.
I don't care. All right, guys. So we're gonna fish with shiners again. And this water. Oh my God, are you okay? Okay, so this is our shiners right there. We got 4 dozen, and that's my rod right there. And I'm gonna fish.
Fish to a drop.
All right. Got him. Yeah.
We're doing a video.
Kind of are you doing a video?
Yeah.
All my pocket movies over here.
Allie caught a freaking snake tag. Finally!
Oh.
It's an eye. You got him in the eye. Nice, a baby. Beauty.
All right.
Today, a peacock. Nice one, right? Sick. Hi, Rod. 4 and Allie caught another peacock. Look at this bad boy.
That's awesome.
Nice.
Wow, look how big that guy is.
That's a nice size. That's a beauty. Look at the size of that. Whoa, be careful.
I am.
Jump for your hook.
Oh yeah.
Beauty.
Ooh, maybe it's your pole.
Nice.
Oh, it's on me.
Yeah, be careful.
So it's been slow.
Mm-hmm.
I've caught a snakehead, Mayan cichlid, 2 peacock bass. Right, that's it.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's been really slow, and
There's a bunch of here in the background.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
just a bunch of noise, and we
Yeah.
just can't keep focused. So we'll get to you
Next time.
as soon as possible.
Yep. See you soon.
Bye.
Peace.